Hello, super kids. Yep, I'm talking to you. We're about to go on an awesome adventure to discover all the amazing things that we can do. Are you ready to play along? Okay then, let's go.
Whoa, look at that. I can jump high. That's way up there. Okay, it's your turn. Can you jump super, super high? Get ready, get set, jump. Wow. Ooh, shh, listen. What beautiful music. She can sing. Let's all sing a little bit with her. Ready? La la la. That was fantastic.
Awesome. Check this out. We can play football. Teamwork is the best. All right, imagine a big soccer ball is right in front of you. And kick! Goal!
Whoa, look at him go. He can run fast. He's like a flash of lightning. Okay, can you run really fast? Let's run right where we are. Go, 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 go. And stop. Phew, you're fast. Oh, I love this one. They can dance. Look at those fun moves. You know what that means. It's time for a dance party. Let's all do a silly wiggle dance. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. Oh, how cool is that? I can draw. It's so much fun to create things. Let's try it, okay? Get your magic finger out and let's draw a big happy sun in the air. Vroom, vroom. He can drive a car. And it looks like a really fast one. Quick, everybody, grab your pretend steering wheel and let's go for a drive. Beep, beep. And look over here. She can ride a bike. Whee! That looks like so much fun, doesn't it? Riding with your friends is the best. Can you ride a bike, too? Let's dive in. They can swim. Splish, splash. Okay, let's pretend to swim with them. Get your arms ready and let's make big swimming circles. Just keep swimming. What's that wonderful smell? Oh, I see. Mom can cook. That looks so yummy. Let's pretend to help out. Grab a big spoon and let's stir a giant pot of delicious food. Stir, stir, stir. You did it. You jumped and you sang and you ran and danced. You did everything. You are totally amazing, and that means you're a super can-do kid. Everybody give yourselves a big clap. Thanks for playing with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.